Now, what is significance of bond duration in decision making? I am sure you can very easily understand. Shorter the duration, less riskier this bond is. Longer the duration, more riskier this bond is, right? Isn't it? Because shorter the duration, that means that much quickly I am recovering my investment. Longer the bond duration, that means it is taking that much a long time in getting my investment recovered. So obviously, earlier I recover my investment, better it is, because I have got so much of extra return accruing to me in the remaining tenure of the bond, and that is the utility of the bond in decision making. As far as that is the utility of bond duration, as far as investment in as far as decision making is concerned, of investment in bonds or in fixed income securities. The second question, is bond duration same as Macaulay duration? And the answer is yes. The answer is yes. And why the answer is yes? Because this bond duration first time was formulated by this gentleman called Macaulay. And since he was the one who formulated it first time, and he was the one who calculated it first time, and he is the one who gave this formula first time, and that is why this bond duration is also named after him, and that is why bond duration is also referred as Macaulay duration. So when somebody is saying bond duration or somebody is saying Macaulay duration, basically they are meaning the same thing. Now let me, I think I have discussed with you already, but quickly let me sum it up for the benefit of still better an understanding on the bond duration, because I know it's a complex subject, a little more reinforcement. Bond duration, it measures the average time taken in recovery of the investment through all interest coupons and the principal in terms of present value. Point number one. In simplest form, duration refers to payback period of a bond, that is the time taken for a bond to repay its own purchase price. Duration measures the time structure of a bond and the bond's interest rate risk. Duration is expressed in terms of number of years and is also called as Macaulay's duration. Why do we calculate duration? We calculate duration for decision making regarding investment in fixed income securities. Longer the duration, greater is the risk and lower is the return on the security. Shorter the duration, smaller is the risk and higher is the return on the security. So that is your bond duration. Let us now, friends, calculate bond duration. So again, for the benefit of all of you, what I have done is, not only I have given a small case, but I have also placed the format in front of you so that you consume less time in calculating the bond duration here, but still able to get the right answer. So let's see if you are able to figure it out. Should not take you more than 2 minutes.